channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Peek-a-boo. Make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so for this fun game, Peek-a-boo, you're gonna need a few items. Number one, a hat. Number two, some type of cup or plastic cup. You need about 10 of these. And I am actually going to create my own little boo. I'm going to use a badminton birdie, place a napkin or tissue over it, and then I got like a rubber band, twist and tie. Okay, that's going to be my boo. If not, you guys can always use just a paper ball. Okay, those are the only items you'll need for this activity. All right, so here's the setup for Peek-a-boo. What you're gonna do is you're gonna place 10 cups scattered out through a certain area, and you're gonna get your created boos. Ooh. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna have someone hide these boos under any one of these cups. Now I have 10 total cups, but I only have 3 boos that we need to uncover. All right, so once all my boos are hidden underneath these cups, I only have 3 boos, but I have 10 cups. So I'm gonna use a process of elimination. If I am the tosser, I'm going to be about 6 feet away, and what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to toss the hat and try to make it land on top of a cup. If I do land it on top of a cup, I'm going to go ahead and take a look underneath the cup to see if I can find my boo. Peek-a-boo! Oh, I found my boo. I'm going to collect it, take it back to my group, as well as the cup. I have 2 more to go, so I'm going to keep tossing. Got that one. Obviously, there's no boo there, but I'm going to take my cup back. And then I'm going to keep going. I'm going to have 1 minute to try to collect all of my 3 boos. 2, 1, and go. Oh, no boo there. Oh, got 2 moves. I need 1 more. Can he do it? And time. All right, so for that round, I was only able to get 2 boots. All right, Jordan's up. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Again, as a reminder, he has to throw it and try to make it land on top of the cup. If he's able to, he has to peek-a-boo and see if it is underneath. Oh, found his first boo. He has 2 more boots to find. Oh, peek-a-boo. He found 2 boots. He has 1 more to find. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game of Peek-a-boo. Please don't forget to please let us know your thoughts about the activity, what you enjoyed about it, what would you have modified for it. And again, don't forget to use our hashtag, the PE Spot. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.